Hi, I'm Luke, and our sponsor is Caliber Public Safety, and our project was crime mapping. So Caliber Public Safety's main priority is creating technology that helps protect the community. And they offer a variety of products, including computer-aided dispatch software and records keeping software, which allows law enforcement to quickly create dispatch data and retrieve it.
Hi, my name is Brendan. So there were a few business problems that needed to be solved with our project that didn't work with our existing solution. The main one being there's no way for customer data to be shown to the public, whether that's members of the community or just people looking into the area. The current map can also not be made public due to confidentiality issues. There's some information on that should not be available to the public. And the current map that they have costs too much. It makes use of the Google Maps API, which was free when they developed the map, but now they are paying for it. And so part of our project was to kind of reduce the budget for that.
Hi, my name's Kyle, and I will be talking about the large-scale objectives. So the three main points that we wanted to hit on was to create an API for publicly accessing Caliber's crime database, being able to filter that data based off of certain criteria, and then display that map in an interactive way.
Hello, my name is Casey. So the benefits that our current app offers a sponsor compared to their old app is that our app can now be embedded onto public-facing websites so that the community, aka the customer, can be more informed about the crime in their area. We're using Leaflet that's an open source software on the front end that allows for greater ability for later customization due to the use of numerous plugins that are available for it. And our app has a more efficient way to query geometry based on latitude and longitude, properties of shapes, and is more lightweight than their past solution.
Hi, my name is Xingxuan Tang, and our project success is we delivered every use case outlining our project requirements, and we had a working prototype available for the sponsor before the end of the semester that exceed their expectations and fit their budget. And we also ensured a seamless transition in the case that the sponsor decides to take over the project and use it for building consistent solutions.
Hi, my name is Yinnan Chen, and in this project we have three important lessons learned. The first, clear communication is a key to make the project run smoothly. Second, humility is needed to both effectively receive aid and give aid in a team project. Third, learning new technology will be a constant challenge in software development.
Hey, my name is Elijah, and we used various tools for this project. The technologies used for the backend were Java and the Spring Boot framework. We also used Hibernate for mapping our database records to Java objects. We built the database in Postgres and also used PostGIS to add support for geographic objects in our database. As far as the front end goes, we used the React and Leaflet JavaScript libraries to build the map and utilize the GeoJSON data formatting standard to easily interface with geographical data.
All right, now we're going to switch over to do a little demo.
All right, so when we first load up the page, the first thing I'll draw your attention to is the URL. You see we have this query parameter called schema. This lets the client specify which police department they're working with and which location they want to show. This allows the map to be embeddable via an iframe. It makes it easy for a variety of clients to use the map. Now on the left here, we have our filters. Those are separated into different categories. Firstly, you can filter by crime type. So we can select a few of those and the map will update, showing just those crimes with those types. And we can also change some crime details, such as whether it was attempted or completed, whether an arrest was made, and whether there was a juvenile offender involved. Additionally, we have some time filters. So here we have some pre-selected ranges, and you can also select a custom range. And next we have the location filters.
Yes, for the location filters, if you click on the each bit, it will show a shape that all the markers within the each shape. Yeah, and if you click on none, so it will show as default.
All right, and then in addition to that, we have the summary slide that shows the different filters that have been applied throughout each of these different tabs. So it's just kind of an overview of all the filters that we have. And then in addition to the filters that we have over here, we have the ability to draw shapes. So for example, if I wanted to choose a circle here, I can draw a circle on the map and only crimes reported within that map are shown. Some other different ways of drawing, you have a rectangle here, and you can also draw a custom polygon. You also have the ability to edit everything, whether that be the circle, rectangle, or the polygon. And all of this is done in PostGIS by querying a geometry column that we created using the boundaries of a polygon that were drawn on the map itself.
Our map features the ability to cluster points that share the same location or proximity. You can zoom in and out with the scroll wheel, and you can also click on clusters to zoom into that particular group. At max zoom in, many points at the exact location will spread out for easier viewing.
So if you look at the bottom right of the screen, there's the ability to toggle between clustering and heat map displays. So you see on the heat map, it basically works similar to clustering. So areas with a large amount of crime in one spot will have Bouchard's hotspots. Others will be more blue in nature.
All right, and that's our project. Just wanted to give some special thanks to Alan Paradise for obviously running this class, getting us set up with sponsors and everything that he's taught us. Bryce, who is our TA, who met with us over the course of our project and talked us through our progress and gave us helpful advice throughout. And then especially for Joe, who is our main point of contact with Calibre Public Safety. We met with him on a weekly basis, and he was great in helping us planning our project and getting all the data that we needed for it in a timely manner, and just everything about it was great. And obviously the rest of Calibre Public Safety for giving us the opportunity to work on this